In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Chrome profile picture. If you want your Chrome profile to show a different image, the process is actually very simple. Your Chrome profile picture is usually connected to your Google account, so updating it in the right place will help it appear across Chrome as well. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can make the change without any confusion. First, go to Google in your browser and look at the top right corner of the page. There, you should see your profile icon. Click on that icon to open the account menu. This is the starting point because it gives you access to the Google account settings linked to your Chrome profile. Once that menu opens, click on Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to the main account settings page where you can control personal details like your name, photo, and other profile information. If your Chrome profile picture is tied to your Google account, this is where the update needs to happen. After that, look to the menu on the left side and select Personal Info. This section contains the core details associated with your Google profile. It's where Google stores the image that appears in many of its services, including Chrome, when sync is enabled. Next, click on your current profile picture. From there, you'll have the option to upload a photo from your computer, choose an image you want to use, then follow the prompts to upload it. If needed, you may also be able to adjust the crop so the picture looks good in a circular profile frame. Try to use a clear image that stays recognizable even at a small size, since profile icons are usually displayed very small in Chrome. Once your new picture has been uploaded, open Chrome and click your profile icon in the top right corner again. At this point, make sure sync is turned on for the profile you're using. This is important because sync helps Chrome pull in the updated Google account picture. If sync is already on, the new image may appear automatically after a short moment. If it doesn't update right away, give it a little time or reopen Chrome so the changes can refresh properly. That's all it takes to change your Chrome profile picture. By updating your Google account photo and making sure sync is enabled in Chrome, your new image should carry over smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.